ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯಂ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and welcome back to Amar Bharata channel. We are studying the Manika class 10 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Navamaha Pathaha Suswagatam Bhoho Arunachalesmin. Warm welcome to Arunachala Pradesh. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English of the answers. Question number 1. Ekapadena Uttarata. Answer the following questions in one word in Samskrita. सूर्योदय भूमि अरुणाचलः कैः सुशोभिता. With what is the sunrise land Arunachala Pradesh adorned? Answer is Himadri Tunga Shringaihi. It is adorned with the elevated peaks of the Himalayas, the snow-capped Himalayas. Arunachale Kati Nadyah Vahanti. How many rivers flow in Arunachal? Panchashat Adhikaha. More than 50 rivers flow in Arunachal Pradesh. Third one, Arunachalasya Paryavaranam Kidrisham. How is the environment of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is Shuddham, clean and pure. Devanam api devaha kaha kathyate. Who is considered as the god of the gods? Answer is Mopin iti. Mopin is considered as the god of the gods. Arunachalasya Rajadhani ka. What is the capital city of Arunachal? Answer is Eta Nagaram. Lama Sampradayasya Pramukham Parva Kim. What is the important festival of the Lama community? Answer is Losar iti. Losar festival. Arunachalasya Vishishtah Raja Pashuhu Kaha. What is the special state animal of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is Mithunaha. Tawang Gompa Kesham Mathaha. Whose monastery is Tawang Gompa? Answer is Buddhana. It is a Buddhist monastery. In this question, you should make sure that the vibhakti of the word which you use as the answer should match with the what is asked in the question. Kesham Buddhanam. Kaha Mithunaha. Like this. Next question. Etesham prashnanam uttarani eka vakyena likhata. Answer the following questions in full sentences. One full sentence in Samskrita. Arunaha kasya paryayaha. Whose synonym is Aruna? Arunaha Suryasya paryayaha. It is a synonym for the sun. Suryodaya bhumihi iti padam kasmai prayuktam. To whom is the name given as sunrise land? Suryodaya bhumihi iti padam Arunachala Pradeshaya prayuktam. Kasmai, again vibhakti. Kasmai is chaturthi vibhakti ekavachanam. Arunachala Pradeshaya, the same vibhakti and vachana. Arunachala Pradeshasya jana jatinam pramukhani ajivika sadhanani kani santi. What are the main means of livelihood of the people of Arunachala Pradesh? There are three in number. Arunachala Pradeshasya janajatinam pramukhani ajivika sadhanani. Krishihi, which is agriculture. Shilpakala, which is sculpture and generally art and craft. And Vanasampacha, to do with the forestry. Next one, Oriya iti kesham pramukham parva. To whom is the Oriya an important festival? Oriya iti vancho janajatinam pramukham parva asti. It is the important festival of the Vancho community. Lama Sampradayasya Losar iti parva kada manyate. When is the Losar festival of Lama community held? Lama Sampradayasya Losar iti parva February mase manyate. It is held in February month. Mopin iti Kidrisham parva asti. What kind of festival is the Mopin festival? Mopin iti Holi Sadrisham Krishi parva asti. It is similar to Holi. It's an agricultural festival. Lohita Nadyaha Udgamasthalam Kim Manyate. Where is the origin or the source of the Lohit river? Parashurama Kundam athava Brahma Kundam. Lohita Nadyaha Udgamasthalam iti Manyate. So these are the answers. The 7 questions and 7 answers. Next, as we have already seen, these are the interrogative words. Some of them. Kaha and ka are who in masculine and feminine. Kim is what in neuter. Kutra is where. Kati is how many. Kada is when. Kutaha is from where. Katham is how. Kimartham is why. Kidrishaha, Kidrishi. Kidrisham is what kind of or what type of in masculine, feminine and neuter. And I have been always telling you that you should get these 3 tables by heart in memory. Kim table in Pullinga, Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan, Kena Kabhyam Kaihe, Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyah, Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyah, Kasya Kayoho Kesham, Kasmin Kayoho Keshu. The same Kim in Strilinga, feminine is ka ke kaha, kam ke kaha, kaya kabhyam kabhi, kasyai kabhyam kabhyah, kasyaha kabhyam kabhyah, kasyaha kayoho kasam, kasyam kayoho kasu. And the same kim shabda in Napumsakalinga is kim ke kani, kena kabhyam kaihi, and so on, as in Pullinga. Next, I have given you some examples also here. Raja becomes kaha, Rama becomes ka, Ramena becomes kena, Sharadaya becomes kaya, and like that. There are several examples I have shown in this particular slide. Now we go to the main question. Adholikita vakyeshu sthula padani adhradya prashna nirmanam kurta. Frame questions using the underlined words. Here it gives bold, but they have actually underlined the words in this particular question. First question. Arunachala Pradeshe Panchashad Adhikaha Nadyah Pravahanti. This is actually a location, a place. So the question to be asked is Kutra, where? Kutra Panchashad Adhika Nadyah Pravahanti. You should not forget the question mark sign at the end of the sentence. Arunasya Pradeshaha Arunachala. Very easy. Arunasya. Whenever you have this sya, it becomes kasya. That's all. Very easy. Arunachale aneke utsavaha manyante. That's the answer. Vanaushadhinam tu ayam srotah eva asti. Vanaushadhinam will become kesham. Very easy. Shishti vibhakti bahuvachana. Orya iti parvani Arunachale Krishi Bhumi Pujanam Samajika Karyam cha Bhavati. So this is also easy. Kim cha Bhavati. Orya iti parvani Arunachale Kim cha Bhavati. Bhishmaka Nagara Durgasya. Very easy. Kasya. That's all. Avasheshaha Arya Kala Samskriti Sampad Parichayakaha. Parshurama Kundam Lohita Nadyaha Kinchit Duram Asti. So it is Kasyaha Kinchit Duram Asti. I hope you understood how we got the words in green. If you have any doubts, please reach out on the comments part of this video. Next one. Adholikita prashnan yatha nirdesham uttarata. Do as directed. Sthalanam darshanaya prabandhaha api vartate. Atra vartate iti kriyapadasya kartrapadam kim. There is a verb vartate here. We have to find the corresponding noun or the subject in this particular sentence. So prabandhaha vartate. Arrangement is made. So prabandhaha is the answer to this question. Mithunaha गोमहिष सदृशः एक विशिष्टः राजपशुः अस्ति. वाक्ये अस्मिन् विशेष्य पदं किं प्रयुक्त, which is the noun corresponding to an adjective in this particular sentence? The answer is Mithunah. Gomahisha Sadrishaha, that's the adjective here, and that's the Mithuna is the noun here. There is also one more noun here, which is Rajapashuhu, and the associated adjective for this is Vishishtaha. You please check with your teacher whether Mithunaha is enough, or you also need to mention Rajapashuhu as the noun in this particular answer. साडकेन एवं अन्यत् पर्व अस्ति. अत्र अपरम इति पदस्य किम पर्यायपदम? अपरम means another, अन्यत्, that is the answer, अन्यत्. जनाः परस्परं मुखे कपोले च शालिचूर्णं लिम्पन्ति. वाक्येऽस्मिन् किं क्रियापदं प्रयुक्तं? So they apply some kind of churna powder. So what is that? Limpanti is the verb here, kriyapadam. पर्यटन विभागेन प्रकाशितं प्रसिद्धस्थलानां सूचीं पठित्वा ज्ञायताम्. अत्र सूचीम् इति पदस्य किं विशेषणपदं? For this word सूचीं, which is the adjective, the answer is प्रकाशिताम्. प्रकाशितां प्रसिद्धस्थलानां सूचीं. प्रकाशितां सूचीं, the सूची, announcement which is published. पर्यटन विभागेन प्रकाशितां सूचीं. So that's the circular or the announcement which is published by the tourism department. So prakashitam suchim, that's the adjective here. Next question. विशेष्यैः सह समुचित विशेषणानि योजयित्वा लिखता. Match the adjectives with their corresponding nouns. So in this kind of question, you should remember important thing. The method to match is that you have to match the vibhakti, the vachana, and the linga. So adjective and its corresponding noun should always have these three as common. The same gender, which is linga, lingam, number, which is vachanam, and vibhakti, that's the case. So these three should match. So let us see how we can match these very easily. Let us see the words here. Vividha Varna Manohara is a Strilinga Pada. So here also there is a Strilinga Pada called Vyavastha. And Prakritihi is also a Strilinga Pada. Sampurna is a Strilinga Pada. So let us match the feminine words appropriately. Vividha Varna Manohara Prakritihi. Nature which is having many varieties of colorful and attractive colors. That's how it matches. And Sampurna Vyavastha, complete arrangement is made. Now next, what can we match? We can match Pramukhani with Ajivika Sadhanani. Both of them are Napumsakalinga Padas. Here there is one more Napumsakalinga Pada. Darshaniyani Aitihasika Sthalani. We match the two Napumsakalinga adjectives with two Napumsakalinga words. You can note that these are not interchangeable. Darshaniyani, Ajivika Sadhanani does not make sense. So this is the correct way of matching. Next, what shall we match? Samajikam Karyam. Again a Napumsakalinga pada in Ekavachana. These two are Napumsakalinga padas in Bahuvachana, whereas this Karyam is in Ekavachana. Napumsaka to Napumsaka in Ekavachana, we have matched it. Go Mahisha Sudrishaha Rajapashuhu. It's in Pullinga, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, and Anyat is Parva. That's the only thing it matches to. So this completes the question number 5. I believe you understood how we match the adjectives with their corresponding nouns. Next question. अधोलिखित पदैः सह समानार्थक पदं योजयित्वा लिखता. Match the synonyms here. Abhinandanam, very easy. Swagatam. Next is Nyatum, in order to know. Avagantum. Arunaha, Suryaha, sun god. Samam, Sadrisham. Adhuna, Idanim, now. Pratyuta, Apitu, and also. Anantaram, Paschat. Very easy. Next question. Adholikita vakyeshu sthula padani kebhyah prayuktani. Do the bold words apply? Aham bhavatam jignasam shamayitum ichhami. This applies to students. Chhatranam krite chhatrebhyah. Now, next one. Prathamam tu aham eva ekam prashnam pritchami. To whom does this aham apply? It applies to paryatanadhikarinah krite. Paryatanadhikarine. This word paryatanadhikarinah is in Shashti Vibhakti, whereas this word is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. It applies to the paryatanadhikari. So both of the answers are correct. सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः सर्वप्रथमम् इमं स्पृशति. So Arunachala Pradeshasya krite or Arunachala Pradeshaya. It applies to Arunachal Pradesh. Aham chintayami yat Arunah tu Suryasya paryayah. Aham means it applies to Himamshoho krite. The student called as Himamshu, Himamshave. Krishihi Shilpakala वनसंपच्च एतेषां प्रमुखानि आजीविका साधनानि. एतेषाम् इस् अरुणाचलस्य जनजातीनां कृते जनजातिभ्यः. इदम् अप्रैल इति मासे मान्यते. This one, what is this? This is मोपीन पर्वणः कृते और मोपीन पर्वणे. अधुना तु वयम् एतानि द्रष्टुम् उत्सुकाः स्मः. एतानि applies to पर्यटनस्थलानां कृते और पर्यटनस्थलेभ्यः. अत्र अनेके प्रमुख उत्सवाः अरुणाचलप्रदेशस्य कृते और अरुणाचलप्रदेशाय. अत्र applies to that. Next question. अधोलिखितपदानां समुचितं विग्रहं समस्तपदं वा लिखता. Write the vigraha vakya or samastapada for the following. Vanasampada is Vanasya Sampada, Vanasampada which is a Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Setoha Nirmanam, Setu Nirmanam. Again, same thing. Shashti Tatpurusha. Paryatanadhikari, Paryatanasya Adhikari. Again, Shashti Tatpurusha. Himadrehe Tunga Shringani Taihi. Himadri Tunga Shringani Taihi Himadri Tunga Shringaihi. This one is Shashti Tatpurusha. Bauddha Mathaha Bauddhanam Mathaha. Again Shashti Tatpurusha. Udgamasya Sthalam Udgamasthalam. Again Shashti Tatpurusha, because everything, all the words here are Shashti only. Udgamasya, Bauddhanam, Himadrehe, Paryatanasya, and all are in Shashti Vibhakti. Arunachalaha, Arunasya, Achalaha, Shashti Tatpurusha. Now, Adholikita Vakyeshu Rekhankita Padanam Prasanga Anukulam Samuchita Artham Chitva Likhata. For the underlined words, choose the appropriate meanings. Prashnottara Madhyamena Bhavatam Jignasam Shamaitum Ichhami. Jignasa is Jnatum Ichha, the desire to know. Asya avasheshaha tu Aryakala Samskriti Sampadaha Parichayakaha. That means Suchakaha. They are the things which indicate or introduce. Sadhu Prishtam, correctly asked. So it is Samyak Prishtam. Vipula cha atra Vanasampada. Vipula means Vishala. It's abundant. Vanaushadhinam tu ayam srotah eva. Srotah generally means flow as pravaha, but here it means udgamasthalam. That is the place of origin or the source. Now the last question is very, very interesting, and that requires you to know the idam shabda words, especially in Pullinga. Idam shabda in Pullinga is ayam, imau, ime, imam, enam, imau, enau, iman, yenan, anena, enena, abhyam, ebhi, asmai, abhyam, ebhyah, अस्मात् आभ्याम एभ्यः अस्य अनयोः एनयोः एषाम् अस्मिन् अनयोः एनयोः एषु. For sake of completeness, I will also recite this one also. Strilinga and Napumsakalinga forms. In Strilinga it is Iyam, Ime, Imaha, Imam, Enam, Ime, Ene, Imaha, Enaha, अनया एनया आभ्याम आभिः अस्यै आभ्याम आभ्यः अस्याः आभ्याम आभ्यः अस्याः अनयोः एनयोः आसाम् अस्याम् अनयोः एनयोः आसु. In Napumsakalinga it is idam ime imani, idam ime imani, anena enena abhyam ebhi, asmai abhyam ebhyah, asmat abhyam ebhyah, asya anayoho enayoho esham, asmin anayoho enayoho eshu. Now let us go to the main question. अत्र लिखिते गद्यांशे रिक्तस्थानानां पूर्तिम् इदम् इति सर्वनामशब्दस्य उचितरूपैः कुरुत. Use the proper forms of the idam shabda, sarvanam shabda, that is the pronoun, to fill in the blanks below. So I'll bring back the idam pullinga table for your ready reference. Arunasya pradeshah Arunachalah. Then here dash pradeshasya asti हिमाद्रि तुंग श्रृंगैः सुशोभिता भूमिः. So asya pradeshasya षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन अस्या will come here. एवं च अस्ति विपुल वनसंपदा dash pradeshe. It is अस्मिन् pradeshe. Saptami vibhakti pradeshe is in Saptami vibhakti ekavachana. So the correct form is अस्मिन्, which comes here. Dash pradeshat, very easy. अस्मात् प्रदेशात् एव वहति लोहिताख्या नदी. सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः सर्वप्रथमं डैश प्रदेशम् एव स्पृशति. सो दिस इज इन द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचना. इमं प्रदेशम् और एनं प्रदेशम् also you can use here. डैश प्रदेशेन, very easy. अनेन प्रदेशेन और एनेन प्रदेशेन एव जीवन्ति. डैश प्रदेशस्य, very easy. अस्य प्रदेशस्य, here षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन जनाः. अद्भुतः सौन्दर्यमयः एव अयं प्रदेशः, प्रथमा विभक्ति ekavachana. I believe you understood how we filled up the blanks using the appropriate vibhakti vachana forms of this idam pullinga shabda. If you have any doubts in this, please write back to me in the comments. This brings me to the end of this video, end of this lesson. Suswagatam bhoho Arunachalesmin. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.